2004 Ford F250 Super Duty. This is an XLT, extended cab 4-door short box, 4-wheel drive, 6.0 liter turbo diesel. As you can see, the body is very clean. We believe this vehicle has about a 4-inch lift. It has really nice Mickey Thompson wheel tires, dual air shocks. The body is very clean. Gray cloth interior, power driver seat. Fully loaded with power options, no rust. The seats fold up for more storage space. Let's take you guys for a quick test drive. Test the air conditioning real quick. This vehicle has 115,000. Power windows work. Factory CD player.
Summer's last little remnants hanging on in the form of the Minnesota Twins.
4-wheel drive.
Okay.
Here.
Come on, boys. Let's get a winner.
Transmission goes from gear to gear without any kind of hard kicks or any kind of delay. Check the transmission. As you can see, the transmission shifts correctly. Even though it's got a lift kit, it's not as bumpy as you may think. The vehicle drives straight. The front end is not loose at all. All the signals, the gauges, all the lighting work correctly. Power steering is very smooth. You may think that because of the big wheels and the tires, it may not be as smooth. Check the transmission once again. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call at Ride Auto 952-882-7776. We're located on Highway 13, directly across from Menards, right next door to McDonald's, and we always have a good selection of Super Duty F250 and 350s. Thank you.